so horrible, I'll be real. We got a new custom exhaust for the GT86, but first we got to take the old exhaust off and have a bit of fun. Now, I didn't actually get much footage of us taking the exhaust off the car, other than what's in the background now, so let's just skip to when it's off. Okay, we have the exhaust off, so we're going to give it a nice start up. Luckily it just shot about. Yeah, do one high one. Okay. It is so horrible, I'll be real. Oh, it's so bad. It is the next day now, and we have got the exhaust off. Obviously, it's not quite as nice as it was yesterday. As you can see, what we were running was the Baller catback exhaust, which also had the res. And what we were looking to do is basically get a single exit, massive jack cannon exhaust, no res, and the back box will probably be about 1/4 of the size of that. So it should be quite loud. So yeah, let's get to it.
A few moments later.
What do you think of the new exhaust J23RWD? I'm interviewing you for YouTube.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking cool, man. You know, it goes. I'm just gonna keep it in second. This guy better move over. Let me in, bro. Yes. Fucking hell. We have finally got the jack cannon exhaust on the GT86. We're gonna give it a little razz around with the 360 cam on, and hopefully it comes out well, so we'll cut to that now.